Hi, this is Alessio. Hope you're well. In this video, we're going to have a look at the chart of XRP very quickly. So I'm going to give you a very quick update here on XRP, especially at the recent bounce we've had here on the crypto. And I'm going to talk to you about the new must-hold levels on XRP. Join me. Alright guys, welcome back. So a very quick update on the XRP situation here. As you may recall in my video, not long ago, in fact, just a few weeks ago, I actually mentioned the potential long-term wave count and our potential projections and targets for XRP as according to this wave count that you see here. So I mentioned that this particular wave count is my higher probability expectation for XRP as long as two things are true. As long as XRP remains, firstly, it remains above this support level here between 0.48 to 0.43. The second criteria was that XRP had to break above this level of resistance at 0.8. By the way, XRP has now recently done that, as we can see here on this chart. XRP has managed to break above this trendline resistance here and the 21 moving average here, and is currently above this trendline resistance and also taken out the 0.8 level here, at least briefly. At least briefly, it moved up above the 0.8 level there. Now, going back to this chart, so because of that recent development on the chart of XRP, I have to now move up my support levels. So these support levels I had here at 0.48 to 0.43 are now going to move up. So let me show you my new levels here on the chart of XRP on this chart. So as you can see here, I've now moved up my support, as you can see here on this particular wave count. So on this chart, my new support levels, this is very important, my new key levels for XRP, the key level of support is now at 0.58 to 0.6. Those of you who want a bit more flexibility or perhaps a bit more stricter level of support, you could say 0.62. But the bottom line is, as long as XRP now holds above this new level of support, the new key levels of support between 0.58 to 0.6, essentially about 60 cents to 58 cents, then this still remains my higher probability wave count for XRP, for a likely wave 5 projection at about $8 approximately in the next 12 to 18 months. Now, as I'm sure you know, in our analysis, we follow what's called Bayesian probability. Bayesian probability is the scientific approach, which simply says we need to update our expectations with new information. Again, with new additional information, we update or revise our expectations. And that means XRP must remain above these levels of support at 58 cents to 60 cents in order for me to have confidence in this wave count, in order for this wave count to have a higher probability. That means, by the way, if XRP, I'm not saying it's going to happen, but if XRP was to break below this level of support here, at the 58 cents to 60 cents level here, then I can no longer have confidence in this wave count because risk would increase. So risk could then increase significantly to the downside if that level of support were to get broken. As I'm sure you know, in every analysis, we must examine the risk levels. So that's why I'm saying that these levels are going to be very important. The levels 0.58, 0.6 are going to be very important for XRP to protect in the weeks and months ahead if this wave count and our projections are going to remain a higher probability. So again, keeping it simple, XRP must be able to protect and remain above these levels of support if bulls are going to remain in control and in order for us to remain in an uptrend. Let me just mention one thing here on the daily time frame chart of XRP. So all I want to say here is that on XRP at the moment, we've seen a nice breakout, as we can see here. However, the problem is at the moment, we only have about 3 waves up. So as you can see here, we count the waves. We only have at the moment 1, 2, 3 waves up, okay? We don't have 5 waves up. And it's important to appreciate this because, as I'm sure you know, in the beginning of an uptrend, the wave 1 of an uptrend is composed of 5 smaller waves, not 3 smaller waves, 5 waves, okay guys? So that means so far we only had about 3 waves up, as you can see here. Now, is it possible this is the 4th smaller wave here in XRP? Yes, it's possible, but again, we need to see confirmation. So I would have to see confirmation by XRP taking out the prior highs here, the prior highs this month, to give me 5 smaller waves. So if XRP can confirm that and give us another higher high by taking out the highs it made here, that would give us 5 waves up. That actually would give us a slightly higher probability that perhaps an uptrend is potentially starting here. But so far, we only have about 3 waves up. So we have to be cautious here because as you can see here in December, we also had about 3 waves up here as well. 1, 2, and 3. And again, that's not enough. We need to see 5 waves up to give us a higher probability that a potential uptrend is beginning. So we need to see confirmation here on this chart. All right, guys, hope this video helps. Thank you very much indeed. I look forward to seeing you in the next video update. Bye for now.